Do you want to learn how to use a Sony camera? Whether you're completely brand new to Sony or you've had a camera for a while but want to feel more confident, this is the course for you. This course is taught by Sam Shimizu Jones, a professional photographer using Sony, and he's so excited to help you learn how to use yours.
This is a course that's going to dive deep into not only how to just use a camera, but really, what's in that dreaded Sony menu? What are all the things that you're able to do with that menu system? And really just get you up to date on how to use this camera, how to be a pro shooter with it, and understand all the little nuances that Sony offers you when shooting with this camera. By the end of this course, you should be very confident in using your Sony camera. We're going to go through all the buttons, the physical layout of the camera, going deep into the menu system within, and talking about accessories, talking about just all things Sony mirrorless camera, and really getting you up to speed to become a master photographer with your Sony. In this course, we've included easy to watch videos, tons of resources in terms of downloadable content and different fact sheets, user guides, all this type of stuff, and really premium support to help you get through the entire course. As a bonus, you'll get access to our exclusive photographer community, which is a really wonderful place to meet like-minded photographers, be able to ask questions with a really wonderful group of people that are right in the same boat as you, or maybe a little farther along, maybe a little bit, some people that need some advice. It's just a wonderful community that you'll get access to. We know there are tons of options out there in terms of learning more about your Sony camera, but we truly believe this is a one-stop shop to learn everything you need to know and get access to an amazing community of photographers. So enroll today.